Hi and welcome to this VIP class. In this lesson, we're continuing our funnel series and this is part 3, right? So the last class, we spoke about your funnel is your system and the system is the boss money magnet. Boss money. Because here you are with your money, smiley face at the top of the funnel. And we spoke about attraction, right? And there was that conversation about you having a freebie and getting as many people into your funnel as possible so that you can convert them at the top over here. So we are at step 2, and step 2 is B for build. What are you building? You're building a relationship, right? You're building a relationship. Because the truth is, when people buy from you once, they are more likely to buy from you again and again and again. So you want to make sure that you are building a relationship where you can cross-sell, right? And you can upsell and you can downsell. What does that mean? So, Yetunde comes into your funnel. She downloads your free ebook, or let's use my 13-day action quickie challenge. Yetunde signs up for my action quickie challenge. Halfway through the challenge, right, she's reading the emails, she's opening the emails every day, she's taking action on the guys, right? And then halfway through the emails, she's feeling gingered, she's feeling like, wow, I'm learning so much, I can do this, right? I can create content, I can set up my funnel. So halfway through the challenge, she gets an offer for my CEO's briefcase, where she gets 6 guides and templates to go from idea to profit in no time. The challenge is free. And then I cross-sell her something that complements the challenge, right? Because the briefcase has guides and templates. So all of the ideas and inspirations that she's getting from the challenge, she can then use the templates in the CEO's briefcase to start to plan out her ideas, plan out her content, plan out her finances, so that she can see clearly the numbers, the stages, the process of how to go from her ideas from the challenge to actually executing on those ideas. Learning how to be consistent, she can now start to practice that consistency. That's the CEO's briefcase. And it's a low ticket offer, right? Low ticket. The point is you want to ease them into it. Don't just shock them. If you have a high ticket offer, how does this work? So most of my offers are low ticket offer, but I don't recall his name right now, but he was explaining how if it's a high ticket offer, you want to push in as much value at the beginning. So that means you're going to offer a webinar, not a free ebook. You're not going to offer a free ebook and they say, hey, come and buy my offer for $1,000. People really want to know, what am I paying for? $1,000? Why? You need to justify and connect emotionally to why they should pay you $1,000. You get me? Now, so you start with a low ticket offer. So let's say Yetunde says yes to my CEO's briefcase. She says yes to the low ticket offer, right? And then she continues the challenge, or she finishes the challenge. And then a few days later, because she has said yes to me once, she's more likely to say yes to me again. Remember, what we're doing here is we're building a relationship. I'm getting her from where she is to where she wants to be, understanding the emotional journey it takes to build a business. It's tough, it can be a challenge, there are ups and downs. You want to take your customers through a reasonable journey. And like we discussed in the previous videos, how has your journey been? What do you wish you knew then? Provide that so that you don't say, oh, because it was hard for me, it has to be hard for the next person. No, make the next person's journey easier than you had it, right? So low ticket offer, right? She's using the guides and templates, she's enjoying it, she's seeing how her ideas can be an offer and how she can actually make money, right? And so she's at ease with that, right? What's the next step? She needs to actually start building, start creating. How do you do that? So I upsell my course that has more details. Now she's not just dealing with guides and templates. Now she's dealing with videos that requires more commitment. It means that she's going to learn more, she's going to spend more time, and that she has a lot more to execute on. But you see, I've prepared her from free, that's easy, 13 days, to a low ticket offer, the CEO's Briefcase, for her to start to plan, right? And then she's already equipped. She knows more than she knew when she started her journey over here, right? Now she's here. Okay, now she's here. She can take the next logical step, the next emotional step, because mentally, psychologically, I have prepared her. So she's ready to say yes and pay more for Boss Money Mastery, my online course, right? Now, if you find that when you offer your high ticket offer and they don't say yes, or some people say yes, they proceed. Those people that say no, like I said, 7 touches. 7 touches. So you have to present the offer in different ways, highlighting the pain in different ways over and over again until they finally say yes. And if they still don't say yes, then you downsell. So if you have another low ticket offer, here is a good time for you to offer that. Or you can create a video lesson, or you can create a webinar, sales presentation that is talking about your high ticket offer, so then you can now upsell them from that presentation. So your content here has to connect emotionally. Emotionally. Is it double L or one Y? Whatever, figure it out. It has to connect emotionally, because people buy for emotional reasons, right? I had this friend, she will buy clothes every time she was feeling sad. So if you're selling to someone like that, you're talking about feel good, look amazing, look gorgeous, feel like a queen. You're connecting to the feeling, right? Because she's buying for emotional reasons. Some people buy food for emotional reasons as well. If you look at how chocolate is being sold, it's about feeling. If you look at perfumes, right? How do they sell perfume? It's about you feeling like a queen, you feeling and standing out, you walking into a room full of people and they just turn and look at you. Why? Because you smell so good and you feel so good. And so they are selling that feeling, not selling, oh, the bottle is so nice and it's gold. Nobody cares about that, because you're not going to wear the bottle, you're wearing the perfume, and people are interacting with their smells, with that smell, and it's making them feel good. So you want to connect emotionally. Why are people starting businesses? Some people have a vision, they want to save the world, they have this amazing product, they want to help people. Some people just want to make a lot more money. Some people are energized by the game of entrepreneurship, by the process, of creating something and seeing it come to life. So you want to know how to target each segment in the language that they understand emotionally. That is your job. And then you make the process as simple as possible. Your email marketing funnel will take care of all of this. There are several options. There's MailChimp, there's GetResponse, there's MailerLite, there's Aweber, there's Constant Contact. It's up to you. Google the options that suit you and pick one and get started, right? So if you want to join the 13-day action quickie challenge, you can do so in the link. If you want to order your CEO's Briefcase, right, you can do so in the link below, okay? And this is part 3 of funnels. We'll continue with part 4, where we now talk about converting these guys. How do you actually present your offer? I'll see you in the next video.